Welcome, dear listener. Have you ever pondered the profound question, where does life come from? What if life, in all its complexity and wonder, is akin to a software program? And what if this program was designed and written by an unseen developer, a master coder, if you will? Imagine for a moment that the developer of this intricate software of life is Yahweh. Yes, the same Yahweh known to many as the Creator, the divine author of existence. In this divine piece of software, Yahweh has encoded the ability for life to reproduce after its own kind. Miraculously, this software only needed to be written once, yet its signature, its trademark, can be seen in all of creation. Not just in animals, but in the very fabric of existence, in the cycle of seed time and harvest. Every software program, no matter how basic or complex, must have an intelligent designer. Intelligence, after all, cannot materialize from nowhere. Consider this: if you kept two birds in a 12-inch high cage for millions of years and fed them, they might evolve into four-legged creatures, yet they would still be birds, with a bird's brain. They wouldn't suddenly gain the ability to design the next version of Windows, send a man to the moon, or perform brain surgery. They might still eat birdseed and live in their own waste. Even though the contents of their DNA string might have changed over those millions of years, the complexity would have to remain the same. Why? Because Yahweh only made them once. The DNA changes then are not an addition of new information, but rather a reshuffling of the existing information. This brings us to the curious case of Charles Darwin. All he discovered was another way of showing how great Yahweh is. In every animal, Yahweh has embedded the ability to adapt to its environment. This divine adaptability is what Darwin observed and termed as evolution. In summary, the origin of life can be thought of as a software program, meticulously written and designed by Yahweh. This divine software contains the code for life to reproduce after its own kind, a process that has only evolved in the sense of reshuffling existing information, but never adding new complexity. This concept reinforces the role of Yahweh as the ultimate intelligent designer, whose craftsmanship can be seen in every aspect of creation, from the tiniest seed to the most complex organism. And so it seems, the awe-inspiring complexity and adaptability of life is not a product of random chance, but instead a testament to the master coder, Yahweh. And in this realization, we find not only an answer to our question about the origin of life, but also a newfound appreciation for the beauty and wonder of creation.